Here at Cougar Chemical, we care about your business. That's why we're taking every effort to make sure that your product gets to you in perfect condition, ready for you to get to work. We start our piping process by adding a thermal induction foil liner for a watertight seal. Each bottle is then wrapped in small cell bubble wrap so that bottles don't rub against each other and cause damage. Every bottle is bagged individually so any spills are contained and won't ruin your entire shipment. Each box is lined with a minimum of 2 inches of large cell bubble wrap so it can take the big hits that may occur during shipment. When we seal a box, we're confident it's going to take any abuse from the carrier. If you ever do experience damage, you can let us know and we'll ship out a replacement box right away. This is just one of the many ways Cougar Chemical is looking out for you.